Are you looking for an easy and simple way to understand socialism? Hey, it's Dan Zimmerman and welcome back to Illustrate to Educate. In this video, I'll illustrate 5 main concepts of socialism through easy to understand real-life examples. And if you find this video to be helpful, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Socialism is an economic and political system where the means of production, such as factories, land, and resources, are owned and controlled collectively by the people, usually through the government. The idea is that instead of a few individuals or private companies owning these resources, everyone shares in the ownership and benefits. Now let's look at 5 concepts to help understand socialism with real-life examples. Think about a public school or a public hospital. These are services provided by the government, and they are available to everyone, regardless of how much money they have. The idea is that education and healthcare are essential services that should be accessible to all, not just those who can afford to pay for them privately. In socialism, more things would be like public schools or hospitals, owned by everyone and run for the benefit of everyone. This could include not just education and healthcare, but also industries like energy, transportation, and even large companies. Next is cooperatives. Imagine a grocery store owned by the workers who work there. Instead of the profits going to a single owner or shareholders, the profits are shared among the workers. Everyone has a say in how the store is run, and decisions are made collectively. This is similar to how socialism envisions businesses and industries. Instead of being owned by a few people at the top, they're owned by the workers or the community as a whole. Then there's universal basic services. Some countries have universal healthcare systems where medical services are provided free or at low cost to everyone. The funding comes from taxes, which everyone pays into, and the services are available to everyone. Under socialism, more essential services like housing, education, and transportation might be provided universally, funded by the community through taxes, ensuring everyone has access to basic needs. Next is wealth redistribution. Imagine if someone makes a lot of money, say a billionaire. Under socialism, the idea is that such wealth would be taxed heavily, and the money would be used to provide services and support for everyone else, like building schools, hospitals, or providing social benefits like unemployment insurance. In socialism, the goal is to reduce the gap between the very rich and the rest of the population, ensuring a more equal distribution of wealth and resources. Last in the video is government ownership of key industries. In some countries, the government owns key industries like electricity, water, or railways. The idea is that these are essential services that everyone needs, so they shouldn't be run for profit, but for the public good. This is a core idea of socialism, having essential industries owned and run by the government or the public, so they serve everyone's needs rather than just making a profit for private owners. Did you find this simple explanation about socialism to be helpful? If so, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Illustrate to Educate to support more simple and objective videos on topics that matter. If you like this video, please check out the channel for more videos on these types of topics and so much more.